Hi students, so in this video I'm going to show you how to solve problems involving compound angles. So here I have a value sine of a plus 90 and this is in degrees. Always make sure if it is in degrees you got a small degree sign here, or else it could be assumed to be in radians, which is a completely different angle. So sine of a plus 90. Now in order to solve this you need two things. One, a calculator, and access to the internet via the iPad or a computer. Now this problem can be solved using session 5. I hope you have watched the video on explaining compound angles, and here's a summary of the video. Basically it has derived a compound angle formula, which is what I'm going to be using here in order to solve this expression, because this is the same as sine of a plus b. So I'm just going to write down sine of a plus b is going to be equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Now that's my formula I'm going to use to solve this. Now I'm going to write this expression again, sine of a plus 90, which is going to be equal to, okay, now sine a is sine a, cos of b, which is 90, plus cos of a is cos of a, sine of b is sine of 90. And close this bracket, put it in brackets just to show that they are multiplied. You don't really need them, but you might as well. Now cos of 90 and sine of 90 are constants, which I can calculate using my calculator. Now I'm going to calculate cos of 90. Cos 90 is going to give me a random number. That's because my calculator is in the radian mode. So I must make sure that whenever I solve problems like these, if it is in degrees, my calculator should be in the correct mode. So I'm going to show you how to change it. So go shift, setup, 4 is for radians, 3 is for degrees. So that's 3. And again, now it is in the degree mode. If you can see that D over there. And now I'm going to calculate cos 90, close bracket, will be equal to 0. Keep this aside. So that's going to be sine of a times 0 plus sine of 90, close bracket, will be equal to 1 plus cos a times 1. So that's going to be equal to 0 plus cos a. Hence sine of a plus 90 will be equal to cos a.